Hey, are you a good writer? Do you know how to write a sentence properly? Or a paragraph with exactly a pattern that is the most appropriate for your written work? Or you follow all basic writing patterns developed by experts? If your answer is yes, then I am going to challenge you to tell me difference among simple, complex, and academic level sentences, or the IEEC pattern, PEER pattern, or developing paragraph. Yes, this is something valuable for you if you are considering yourself as an expert. An exceptional writer always uses simple sentence structure, perfect grammar, patterned paragraph, and structured writing genre with perfect formatting. If all these five elements are not available in a work, that work needs editing, and this is what you are going to learn in this course. A perfect work means perfect lead, perfect grade, and perfect position. If you want this level of perfection in your work, I will recommend you to jump into the course. There is 30 days money back guarantee. If you are not going to learn anything, get your money back. Take assignments, quiz, and everything I have provided in this course, and I bet you won't regret of getting a teacher who is enthusiastic to give you all her knowledge. Waiting for you, my brilliant student.